Do you feel that even after spending hours in studying, the result remains the same? Whereas friends study overnight and top the exams? Don't worry, the problem is not in you, but in your way of studying. Here are some easy tips that will give 80% result in 20% time. Step 1. Stay away from sweets. Before the exam, one feels like eating chocolates and sweets. Stop making this mistake. According to research, excess sugar makes the brain dull and weakens the memory. Eat dry fruits instead. They increase memory. Step 2. Change your thinking. If you start studying and think, "This is boring, it will never end," then it will happen. Tell your mind positive thoughts. "I will finish this chapter in 30 minutes." According to a Harvard study, thoughts affect the body as well. Start studying by considering it easy. Step 3. Focus on the important things. Follow the 80-20 rule. 20% of the topics will give you 80% of your marks. Don't read the whole book. Just look at the important chapters, professor's notes, and old papers. Read only what will come in the exam. Step 4. Focus on your weak points. Stop repeating what you know. Work on topics that seem difficult. Note down the wrong answers after every test. Revise only these before the exam. These are the points where you get stuck. Step 5. Use a timer. Remember Parkinson's law. Work expands to the time you give it. If you sit down to study all day, it will take you all day. Instead, set a timer, for example, 1 hour, and see how your focus improves. Step 6. Use of AI tools. Use tools like ChatGPT to make notes, solve doubts, and take mock tests. It will help you understand any subject. Lastly, if you liked the video, share it with a friend who is still tired of reading every day. Comment below. Do you have any secret tips?